Again, this is such a great program where you can actually go through and do a lot of common tasks, manage tasks, picture tasks in relationship to the people that are in your database. You can select any profile that you want and basically make changes in that particular profile. I just selected my profile and I'm going to go ahead and edit it. So it pops up a little box where I could put a photo of myself if I wanted in there. I could change my name, I could change the gender, I could change the folder, I could change even the birth time. But actually I can just go in and put in that I'm the creator of the In Search of Heroes program, just as a way of showing that I can go through and edit any of the profiles that I have in my database. And so it's important to know that you can do that, and the best way to do that is to go to the profile that you want to edit and right click on it, and I'm going to set my profile of Ralph Zaransky as the default. So when I set that, when I open up the program initially every time, that's going to be the default file that shows up, and so my name and information will always be there. Now I could also delete it, but by choosing it from the right click menu, but I don't want to do that, so I'll just say no, that was the way of deleting a profile. Now I can move that profile to any place that I want, and I can also create a new folder. I've already got celebrities, I've got dates, I've got dead people, I've got family, friends, my personal, and politicians. And I probably would want to go ahead and just create a new folder so you can see how that works. So I think what I'll do, because I am going to use the Dallas Cowboys as a way of teaching you how to use biorhythms in this software for a professional football team. So I'm going to type in Dallas Cowboy, why don't we say quarterbacks. I'll put that in there. And then of course I'm not a Dallas Cowboy quarterback, but I'm going to just stick my profile into that category just so you can actually see, and there it is, Dallas Cowboys quarterbacks. And that's the power of this program, to be able to create different little databases that covers all the people that are in your life and all the people that have interest for you, whether they're sportsmen, whether they're politicians, whether they're athletes, whether they're professional teams, people in your business. It gives you a tremendous opportunity to track a lot of people at one time, where of course the most important people are going to be friends, they're going to be family members. I even created a setting or a database for people that are dead because they died on a certain day, and when you look at that biorhythmically, you can see that a lot of times the biorhythms predict the day that a person is going to pass away, especially if they're sick. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to take myself out of the Dallas Cowboys and put myself into my personal. I feel better in my personal than I do in the Dallas Cowboys, just in case any of those guys get wind that I'm passing myself as a Dallas Cowboy quarterback. I don't think that they would like it. At 60, I'm way too old to play football anymore. So there I am, my personal. And so here are my choices again. I can actually assign myself some type of icon. I could do a chess piece, or I could do a globe picture. I could choose a timing glass, or maybe even a dollar sign. And I could choose a star if I wanted to represent a person as a star, or a smiley face, or a frowning face. Sad picture, I could do a musical note, or I could use a colored icon, a blue one, a green one, or a red one. And that would give me the opportunity to create some mnemonics, a way of remembering people and who they are and what they do. So I'm going to go see if I can find a custom photo of myself on my computer. So when I click custom, it opens up a window where it goes directly to my documents or some other folder, and I can migrate through all my different folders to see if I can find a photo of myself. So I'll look in Captain Biorhythm documents, and I've got a lot of pictures of people, so I think I'll go up and make all the icons extra large and then scroll down and just see if I see any photos that I might be able to use. And I've got a lot of photos of different biorhythm graphs, compatibility graphs of myself and my family that I'll be using in the other training videos. So I don't really have a photo of myself in here. So I guess probably what I'll do is I'll go over and check and find a different folder. Maybe I'll try pictures and see if I can find one of my photos in there. And as you can see, I use a lot of gorgeous photos in my training programs because they activate the right brain that's interested in just the beauty of nature and put words in white over the tops of the photos. Well, doesn't look like there's a photo of me in there, so I guess maybe I'll try one of my attached drives. I'll try my mini drive and let's see if I've got any photos in here. I'm searching around, I don't see anything, but you can use your up and down arrows to search through the different folders. I guess I'll go in, see if I got something in Search of Heroes, Books, Everything, and hopefully maybe I'll have some photos of myself in there. So I'll go ahead and click. Whoops, I clicked on the wording. I should click on the icon, and there's no photos in there. There's no JPEG folder, so I guess I'll just cancel and try it again later.